So, something you've seen a million times on YouTube before. Gearbox oil change on the Vivaro. I'm just doing it on the ground. And what I've done, I need to make sure I can get oil in before I take any oil out. So I've already removed the level plug, level indicator, and that's where I'm going to go in with oil. I could take the airbox off and there's a fill point under there, but there's no need really. So let's have a look. So as you can see, I've got my tube in. I've cracked off the drain nut already, the 8mm square, and I've got my drain pan there. So I need to, because I want to measure how much comes out as well. Should be roughly about 2.7 litres if it hasn't lost any oil. So we'll see how we go. So dropped a little bit of oil about. It's actually quite clean coming out. I did have somebody change oil when I first got it, and quite happy with that being so clean. I've dropped a little bit off the side, sod's law. Leave that for a few minutes, clean my hands I think. Of course, new crush washer. I mean, what do they cost? About £6 for 5, I think. £6.30 I paid for 5. Don't be tempted to use an old one. Don't be tempted to flip it over. You know, if you get a leak, you'll be sorry, because it means the oil's got to come out again, isn't it? Unless you're going to wham it tight. Don't bother. Get a new one. So as you can see, we're all buttoned up there with a new crush washer on. It's all nice and clean and dry. And that's the way it should stay. Time for the new oil. So I'm a bit short of 2.5 litres, but I did drop a little bit. But I think I must have been a little bit short than the 2.7 litres. That's the 2.5 litre bottle, that is. That ain't no apple juice. So as you can see, I got bored of holding and squeezing the can, so what I did was puncture the bottom, and it's been gravity feeding in there. It's finished now, like, because I'm lazy. Yeah, it's behaved itself. All the oil's in now. These vans typically take between 2.6 and 2.7 litres, and that's what I've got left in out of 3 litres. So hopefully. And I did level the van up with a jack, just in case anybody was wondering. I did level it up a bit, because it was on a bit slightly, it's very small curb. So hopefully, all I've got to do now is put that nylon nut back in the gearbox. So there's no excess to be seen, but we know how much has gone in, and I'm happy with that. Time just to button it up. All buttoned up and the tubes left the party, as you can see. Job done. Peace of mind.